Welcome to EDC Ideas, and let's talk about the Tactical Travel Tray from MAXPEDITION. EDC trays are getting more and more popular in the EDC community because it's a great option to build your own EDC station to grab the things you need for the day. My favorite option is the Tactical Travel Tray from MAXPEDITION, and let's go through the different features. In this Tactical Travel Tray you have different compartments. You have two compartments here, and a larger compartment in the back side too. And I love the main compartment to organize larger EDC equipment. In the compartment I normally store my favorite flashlights for EDC, for example the flashlight from Streamlight, or for example a version from Phoenix. The compartment on the right, this one here, this is my compartment for the items with a credit card sized, and it's my compartment for my EDC pry bars. The next compartment here is the compartment with the most changes in my EDC equipment. I store here, for example, the sharpening tools and thinner pocket knives. The main compartment has the perfect size to store larger EDC items, for example your wallet or for example your multi-tool. I also store here, for example, a box of mints. My favorite hank, this one is the hank from Real Man Carry. I love the fabric and I love the black and red combination. And it's my compartment for my notebook/notebook organizers, and I normally include a pen into this organizers, so I always have a pen in my EDC tray and I always have a pen with me. It's easy to grab and I'm ready to go. Two of my most carried multi-tools are, for example, the Leatherman side clip and the Victorinox Swiss tool Spirit, and they fit perfectly into this compartment. Another great choice for EDC is a compact and durable fixed blade. This one is a model from K4 Knives 4 and it fits perfectly in. The Vera toolcheck is a very popular item in the EDC community for the EDC toolkits, and when you have a focus, for example, on tools in your EDC kit, this tray is also perfect, for example, for the toolcheck. With this EDC tray you have a lot of great options to build your own EDC station. You are ready to go, you can easily grab the items and make your day perfect. When we are looking at the transport size, this one is a very slim and flat design. It's easy to carry in the travel bag. And when you arrive at your holiday location, you can easily build up the tray with this snap buttons here, and here. For a more compact size, for example in your travel bag, you can fold the EDC tray together. Please let me know in the comment section below, are you also a fan of EDC trays or EDC stations at home? And please let me know what's your favorite EDC tray on the market.